Hi, on the agricultural land of the district Bahawalpur, we find and discuss about the Gir cow. The Gir cow is a distinctive breed of the cattle native to the Gir forest regions of Gujarat in India. It is easily recognizable by its unique physical characteristics, including prominent convex foreheads, large dropping ears, and well-developed devolve, the skin hanging from the body. The skin color of Gir cow ranges from red to white with patches of red. The horns are peculiarly set, curving upward and outward. Gir cow play a significant role in sustainable agriculture. Their grazing helps manage grasslands and prevent overgrowth. Their manure is an excellent organic fertilizer, enhancing soil fertility. Their adaptability in harsh climates making them valuable for maintaining biodiversity and changing in resilience in changing environmental conditions. Gir cows are known for their milk, which is high in butterfat content and considered beneficial for their human health. Their milk contains A to beta casein protein, which is easily to digest and less likely to cause lactose intolerance compared to A1 casein protein, which is found in the milk of other cow breeds. The Gir cows are known for their disease resistance and longevity. Gir cows are primarily found in Gir forest regions of Gujarat in India. They live in tropical and subtropical climates adapted to withstand high temperature and humidity. They live in the parts of India and Brazil due to their adaptability and export for breeding purposes. Gir cows are active foragers and can cover large areas in search of food. They prefer to graze in the early mornings and late afternoons when temperatures are cooler. They primarily feed on the grasses and they also consume variety of plants and agricultural byproducts. They have strong digestive systems that efficiently digest fibrous plant material. Gir cows are highly adaptable in different environmental conditions. They are well suited to both dry and humid climates and can live in rock terrains. They are active animals and often walking considerable distance during grazings. Their strong legs can support their active lifestyle. Gir cows spend their significant amount of time in resting and ruminating, chewing their cud. They typically rest under shaded areas during the hottest part of the day. They seek out comfortable resting place and are known to lie down on the grounds or under shaded trees to stay cool and avoid from the insect. Gir cows are generally gentle and are easy to handle. Their calm temperament makes them suitable for dairy farming and close human interactions. They are considered to be the intelligent animals and are capable of remembering and recognizing people and places. This intelligence makes them easier to train as compared to the other cattle breed. Gir cows are social animals and prefer to stay in groups. They form strong social bonds within the herds and exhibit cooperative behaviors such as grooming and productions. Gir cows are known for their strong maternal instincts and very protective about their calves and good take care of them, ensuring them they are well fed and protect from the predators. Gir cows communicate through a range of vocalizations including lowing and mooing to express different needs and emotions such as hunger, distress, or calling their calves. The Gir cows communicate through body language and body postures within the herd. For example, Gir cow lower its head and flick its tail to signal different intentions and feelings. Gir cows exhibit a clear signs of estrus or reproductive cycles or on the heat, such as increased vocalizations, restlessness, and mounting behavior. This behavior helps the farmer to detect optimal times for matings of the Gir cows and artificial inseminations in its womb. Gir cows reach sexual maturity around 2.5 to 3 years of age. They have calving interval 12 to 14 months and a gestation period about 280 days. The Gir cows are known for their easy calvings and strong maternal cares. Gir cows give birth to a single calf. The taxonomic classification of Gir cow includes kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Artiodactyla, family Bovidae, genus Bos, species Bos indicus, breed Gir. Gir cows are medium to large in size with well proportioned and muscular build. The mature Gir cow typically weigh between 380 to 400 kgs, while the male bulls typically weigh between 540 to 580 kilograms. The eyes of Gir cows are large, expressive, and usually dark, set well apart on the forehead. The muzzle is broad, moist, with well-adapted nostril. The Gir cows have distinctive horns that start at the top of the heads and curving outward and upward in a spiral shape. The horns are thick at the base and pointed at the tips. The udder of the Gir cow is well formed, with prominent teeth that are well spaced for easy milking. The Gir cow is well known for its high butter fat content in their milk, making them dairy prized animal. The Gir cow have well developed tail with tuft of hair at its end. It is used to swipe away flies and insects, contributing to the cow's comfort. The ears of Gir cows are usually long, pendulum and leaf shapes, hanging down to a length about 30 cm or more. The ears are usually dropping, which help in aiding the dissipating of heat and keeping the insect away from the air. Stay with us to learn quality knowledge with the thinkers of biology. See you soon. See you next Sunday. Bye.